Xiaomi POCO segment is especially known for gaming, that too at an affordable price tag, and the next phone of X-Rich POCO X8 Pro can be announced in the market soon. Friend, its design language is quite strong. The back is equipped with 3 cameras, 2 LED flashlight and dual tone color option. The frame is expected to be made of proper metal. There is more to come. Well, let me tell you, my name is Avaneesh and you are watching Tech Hunger, and this time the camera is arranged vertically with 3 lenses. The main lens is 50 megapixel and you also get a 2x option with the telephoto lens. Some other features also included such as 4K video recording and portrait photography, and there is a 25 megapixel selfie camera on the front which allow you to record full HD video. And POCO X8 Pro powered by Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset, which is good news for gamers, as well as 8 and 12GB RAM option and Xiaomi Hyper OS UI, and these things are going to be quite impressive. Friend, like last time, the display will be Super AMOLED and you get 68 billion color option and its size 6.6 inch, and yes, 3200 nits peak brightness for outdoor use and a 120 Hz refresh rate, so the screen department is going to be its strong point. Friend, the battery power in mobile phone has increased because battery are now silicon based, therefore a massive 7100 mAh battery is placed in this one, and a 90-watt charger is also included in the box. The POCO X8 Pro has a under display fingerprint scanner which work very fast, a single SIM slot which can support 2 SIMs, and this phone has a port on both the bottom and top, including a Type-C port, IR blaster and a microphone, and of course 5G speed, up to 512GB of storage, and multiple color options are available. And with all these features, it will cost approximately $350 and it will be available in the market soon. So that's it for now. You can tell me how you like the video in comments. I will see you with the next topic. Okay friend, thank you.